What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please kindly ignore my hair. So on today's piece I am on a 20 by 24 inches artwork, pencil work precisely, and I've started the work already. Presently I am applying details to my work by using a Tipex. Yes, that's one of the improvisations that I normally use. Like I use our Tipex in place of white gel, Monozero eraser, white pencil, anything details that you can think of, mainly for detailing. So here I was just on the work, patiently looking at my reference and making the same marks on my work, so that I can achieve a perfect piece. So I was being patient with this work. I think I spent about close to 3 days on this work. I could only work at night, so all those periods I was only working at night. There was no time for me to work during the day, so I had to schedule my work for night periods. So that's why you see my hair like that. So enjoy this video. I'm sure you see what I'm doing here, right? Yeah, and this is one of the things I do most of the time. I'm working and playing at the same time, and it makes it look full of fun. Like when I'm even working like this, it doesn't even look stressful to me, because I'm having fun. I'm always having fun. Like I'm not always dull when I'm working on many of my works. I make it lively for myself. Like no matter how stressful it will be, yeah, it always used to be fun at the long run. Like I always love it. So quickly, let me gist you about how this all came into being. This work got delivered to the United Kingdom, and I couldn't even believe myself that I was actually doing a work that is going to be, delivered outside our country, Nigeria. I didn't really find myself doing that kind of work, but it came, and as God will have it, we got it delivered and right on time. So that was how it happened, and we got it delivered right on time. Here the work is ready and set to be framed up and delivered ASAP. So this is the complete work. Like this is where we say 100%, like let's say 100% done. Yeah. So move on to the next slide. If you're new on my channel, please kindly subscribe, click on the subscription button, and if you like this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up.